Tab Saquinavir, detailed explanation. Number 1, generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Saquinavir is the generic, non-proprietary name of the drug. Drug class. Saquinavir belongs to antiretroviral agents, protease inhibitors, PIs. Protease inhibitors are a group of drugs used to treat HIV infection by preventing the virus from maturing into infectious particles. Brand name Invirase. Drug forms available as oral tablets, 500 milligrams, oral capsules, older formulations. Since Saquinavir has poor absorption when used alone, it is commonly administered with low-dose ritonavir, which increases its effectiveness. Number 2, definition. Saquinavir is an antiretroviral medication used in combination therapy for the treatment of HIV-1 infection. HIV attacks the body's immune system, specifically CD4 T lymphocytes, weakening the body's ability to fight infections. Saquinavir helps control HIV replication, thereby lowering viral load, increasing CD4 cell count, reducing opportunistic infections, improving quality of life, delaying progression to AIDS. Important note, Saquinavir does not eliminate HIV from the body, does not cure AIDS, must be taken lifelong unless changed by a healthcare provider. Mechanism of action. HIV replication process. For HIV to reproduce, it needs an enzyme called HIV protease. The virus initially produces long protein chains called polyproteins. These must be cut into smaller functional proteins by HIV protease. Text polyprotein, text functional viral proteins. How Saquinavir works. Saquinavir binds to the active site of HIV protease and blocks its action. As a result, 1, viral proteins cannot be processed. 2, new virus particles remain immature. 3, viruses become non-infectious. 4, HIV multiplication decreases. Outcome, viral load decreases, CD4 count increases, immune function improves. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug. A, absorption, absorbed through the gastrointestinal tract. Absorption is improved when taken with food. Bioavailability is naturally low. Clinical significance. Patients should take Saquinavir shortly after a meal to maximize absorption. B, distribution. After absorption, distributed throughout the body, highly protein bound, 98%. This means only a small free fraction is available to pharmacological effects. C, metabolism. Site, liver. Enzyme, C3A4 enzyme system. Saquinavir undergoes extensive first-pass metabolism. Because of this, blood concentrations can become low. Ritonavir is often added as a pharmacokinetic booster. D, elimination, mainly excreted through feces. Small amounts appear in urine. Half-life. Half-life is the time required for plasma concentration to decrease by 50%, approximately 7 to 12 hours with ritonavir boosting. Number 5, uses, primary use. Treatment of HIV-1 infection. Additional benefits. Saquinavir helps reduce viral replication, improve immune status, prevent opportunistic infections, delay AIDS progression, reduce HIV-related morbidity. Number 6, indications. Indications are conditions for which the drug is prescribed. Saquinavir is indicated in HIV-1 infected adults as part of combination antiretroviral therapy ART, along with ritonavir and other antiretroviral drugs. Why combination therapy? Using one drug alone allows HIV to develop resistance rapidly. Combination therapy improves viral suppression, delays resistance, improves treatment success. Contraindications. Contraindications are situations where the drug should not be used. Absolute contraindications. 1, hypersensitivity. Patients allergic to Saquinavir should not receive it. 2, severe hepatic impairment. The liver metabolizes Saquinavir extensively. Severe liver disease can increase drug levels, increase toxicity. Cardiac conduction disorders. Saquinavir may prolong QT interval, PR interval. This increases the risk of dangerous arrhythmias. 4, certain drug interactions. Do not combine with rifampin, amiodarone, or glutamine. 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Liver disease. Patients with hepatitis B, hepatitis C, cirrhosis require careful monitoring. Heart disease risk factors include arrhythmias, heart failure, electrolyte imbalance. An ECG may be required. Diabetes mellitus. Protease inhibitors can increase blood glucose, cause insulin resistant, monitor blood sugar regularly. Bleeding disorders. Patients with hemophilia may experience increased bleeding episodes. Pregnancy. Use only when benefits outweigh risks. Elderly patients may have more comorbidities, more drug interactions, require closer monitoring. Number 9. How to use. Administration instructions. 1. Take exactly as prescribed. 2. Take with ritonavir if ordered. 3. Take within 2 hours after a meal. 4. Swallow whole with water. 5. Maintain a regular dosing schedule. Why adherence is important. Skipping doses can increase viral load, cause treatment failure, promote drug resistance. Number 10. Dosing information. Standard adult dose. Treatment-experienced adults. Saquinavir 1,000 milligrams orally twice daily. Ritonavir 100 milligrams orally twice daily. Special populations. Hepatic impairment. Dose adjustments or avoidance may be necessary. Renal impairment. Usually no major adjustment needed because elimination is mainly fecal. Number 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, if remembered early, take immediately if close to next dose. Skip missed dose. Never double the dose. Hack overdose. Possible symptoms: severe nausea, vomiting, dizziness, QT prolongation, cardiac arrhythmias. Management: emergency evaluation, ECG monitoring, supportive treatment. No specific antidote exists. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Do not stop without medical advice. Stopping therapy may result in viral rebound, resistance development, disease progression. Avoid herbal products, especially St. John's wort. It significantly lowers Saquinavir levels. Grapefruit products may alter CYP3A4 metabolism and affect drug levels. Number 13. Side effects. Common side effects: gastrointestinal, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain. Neurological: headache, fatigue. Serious side effects: hepatotoxicity symptoms, jaundice, dark urine, abdominal pain. Cardiac effects: QT prolongation, torsades de pointes, arrhythmias. Metabolic effects: hyperglycemia, hyperlipidemia. Fat redistribution, lipodystrophy. May cause increased abdominal fat, buffalo hump, peripheral fat loss. Number 14. Vital information. Patients must understand. 1. Not a cure. Saquinavir controls HIV but does not eradicate it. 2. Continue safe practices. Prevent transmission through condom use. Safe needle practices. 3. Monitoring required. Regular viral load testing, CD4 count monitoring, liver function tests, ECG monitoring. 4. Lifelong therapy. Most HIV patients require long-term antiretroviral treatment. Number 15. Other drugs will affect Saquinavir. Saquinavir is highly susceptible to drug interactions because it is metabolized by CYP3A4. Drugs increasing Saquinavir levels, ketoconazole, clarithromycin, may increase toxicity. Drugs decreasing Saquinavir levels, rifampin, carbamazepine, phenytoin, may lead to treatment failure. Other important interactions: statins, anticoagulants, sedatives, oral contraceptives, antiarrhythmics. Number 16. Drug comparison. Feature: Saquinavir, darunavir, atazanavir. Generation: first generation PI, newer PI, resistance barrier, moderate, high, QT risk, higher, lower, current use, rare, preferred, common, dosing convenience, less convenient, more convenient, convenient. Why Saquinavir is less common today? More drug interactions, cardiac toxicity concerns, lower convenience, availability of better alternatives. Number 17. Patient teaching. Medication adherence. Take every dose on time. Never skip doses. Administration: take with food. Take with ritonavir if prescribed. Follow-up: attend all appointments for viral load monitoring, CD4 count monitoring, liver testing. Lifestyle advice: avoid smoking, limit alcohol, maintain healthy nutrition, exercise regularly. When to seek medical help: contact a healthcare provider immediately if you develop fainting, palpitations, severe rash, yellow eyes or skin, persistent vomiting, severe abdominal pain. Examination point: short note. Saquinavir is a protease inhibitor used in combination antiretroviral therapy for HIV infection. It inhibits HIV protease, preventing viral maturation and producing non-infectious viral particles. It is administered orally with food and usually with ritonavir. Important adverse effects include gastrointestinal disturbances, hepatotoxicity, hyperglycemia, lipodystrophy, and QT prolongation. Careful monitoring for drug interactions and adherence to therapy are essential for successful HIV treatment. Thank you. Have a nice day.